Day 19, the return visit tracker. In HVAC, a second trip to the same house is almost always losing money. The tech goes out, diagnoses something, orders a part, and has to go back. That's fine. It's part of the job. What's not fine is when nobody tracks it, nobody notices the pattern, and the second trip gets priced like a brand new call. We built a tracker that flags it. Every morning, when the job briefing runs, it pulls the last 90 days of service history for every scheduled address. If that address had a visit in the past 3 months, the briefing says so. Right at the top. This address was serviced on March 14th. No cool diagnosis, refrigerant charge. That does two things. First, the tech shows up knowing what happened last time. No digging through paper records, no calling the office. The history is in the briefing. Second, it triggers a pricing review. Is this a warranty return, a parts callback, or a new problem at the same house? The logic runs against the Field Pulse job history. We query by address, normalize the string so minor variations in how it was entered don't cause misses, and flag anything within 90 days. The result gets appended to the morning briefing automatically. The patterns it caught in the first 2 weeks were worth building it for. One address had 4 visits in 60 days. Each one logged as a separate job, none of them connected. Looking at the history in sequence, the problem was obvious. A dirty evaporator that kept getting recharged instead of cleaned. The tracker didn't fix it, but it surfaced the pattern so someone could act on it. There's also a financial layer. When a return visit is flagged, the office knows to review it before invoicing. Is the labor being charged at the callback rate? Is any of it covered under our workmanship warranty? Without the flag, those reviews don't happen consistently. It's a small tool, maybe 80 lines of code, but the discipline it creates is outsized. Every tech knows the house before they walk in. Every return visit gets reviewed before it's invoiced, and every pattern that would have gone invisible now shows up in the briefing before 6 a.m. That's what the tracker does. Not magic. Just making sure we actually look at the data that's already there. Subscribe if you want to follow the build.